morning and welcome to Centro, everyone. I'm Yadires Nova-Salcedo. Glad to have you with us. A recent survey conducted by March of Dimes is being used to bring more awareness about the importance of educating women on taking the best vitamins and nutrients before and during pregnancy. The survey found that while most women are aware of the importance of prenatal care, including vitamins for a healthy pregnancy and baby, significant gaps remain in their understanding and behavior around preventing birth defects with folic acid. To tell us more about this important topic, with us this morning via satellite is Dr. Jose Cordero. Good morning, doctor. Welcome to Centro.
Good morning. Glad to be with you.
Doctor, what can you tell us about this brand new survey that came out about nutrition and about prenatal health?
The March of Dimes, we are a foundation that care about the health of mothers and babies, and we conducted this survey to understand the use of folic acid and also the health of mothers and babies. And what we learned was that folic acid actually is not being consumed to the level it should. Folic acid is a vitamin that is very important to prevent serious birth defects of the brain and spine. And only about a third of women in the U.S. are actually consuming it, and even less in Hispanic communities or communities of color. So the message is we need to be sure that women are taking folic acid every day from a multivitamin.
Doctor, you mentioned Hispanic women are not consuming folic acid. Why do you think that is?
Well, what we're learning from the interview is that often they forget or simply have not learned about the importance of folic acid. So that's why I think it's so important to bring the message that folic acid is very important to take in order to reduce the risk of very serious birth defects.
I understand also, doctor, that yearly approximately 3,000 pregnancies are affected by NTDs. Talk to us about that.
Well, yeah, certainly. About 3,000 babies are born every year with serious birth defects of the brain and spine. And if mothers take folic acid, that could be reduced by nearly 70%. So that's why it's so important that they listen to the message and take action and begin consuming folic acid every day before pregnancy begins. And this is really very important, and it's that we can start consuming folic acid before pregnancy starts, about 3 months before.
Definitely important. The survey also says, doctor, that 77% of women surveyed worry that there may be changes to the healthcare system that will have a negative impact on access to prenatal care, correct?
Right, and I think that's a very important result of this survey. And one thing to tell women that are concerned about access to care, that there are a number of clinics, community clinics, and actually I trained in Boston, so I know them well, and that provide excellent care and either provide free care, provide care at a very affordable level. So shouldn't be afraid to go and get prenatal care. Find the clinic that is near your community that actually you can get that very important prenatal care.
It's great you worked here, doctor, and one of the reasons why you guys are coming to Centro is because you want to be able to get this important message out to the Latino community in this area. And also, where can people go for more information, doctor?
Absolutely. We have a website called nacersano.org, but also in English we have www.marchofdimes.org. So we have information both in English and Spanish.
Great info, doctor. Thank you so much for being with us on Centro.
It's a pleasure to be with you.
Thank you. To get more information regarding this new survey, you can get a direct link to the March of Dimes website, visiting us online at cbsboston.com/centro. And like every week, we want to remind you that you can get more information on today's show and our past shows. You can watch both the English and the Spanish versions of our show on our website. If you have time, visit us right now. Or if not, come back later for more of Centro. We also want to invite you to connect with us online, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. I'm Yadires Nova-Salcedo, inviting you to step forward to a better you. See you next time.